Hey everyone, Matthew here at Earthworks in Jacksonville, Florida. I got my shades on. I think it's not even 9 o'clock and it's already like 85 degrees. So we're gonna be talking about heat-loving, sun-loving perennial shrubs. We've got these beautiful blue Plumbago here in front of me. These are in a 1-gallon container. The first time I really noticed these plants, I was driving from Jacksonville down to Orlando, and in the median on I-4 were Plumbago. And I was amazed that such a beautiful flowering plant could thrive in a median along the side of I-4. I mean, you can't find a tougher plant that loves the heat, neglect, on the side of a road, and they were thriving. So if you've never tried Plumbago, you got one of those spots where you have a difficult time growing something, it's hot, it's dry, you might live at the beach here, sandy soil, or on some of the dunes that we have here around Jacksonville and some of the higher elevation areas where, you know, the water just does not stay for very long, it sheds away quickly, but you have a nice hot spot where you can't grow something. Try Plumbago. These guys really do well.